Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day, Libra, is elevation. Elevation, skyrocketing to the next level. I need their consciousness. I need your will. I need your imagination. I need your creativity to be in the solar system, in the universe. There's no cap to where you're going. There's nothing, no limits. The sky is not the limit. I want you to think beyond the clouds, beyond the sky. I want you to be into the solar system, the universe. Because when you have these high, great thoughts, you allow the most impossible things to become possible. If it's in your mind, guaranteed you can make sure it comes to light, and it shall come to light. But positive energy can only bring positive blessings. And I want you to be thinking the most positive way, the most high thinking, the most productive way that's letting you know that is attainable. Because not only do you deserve it, you've been working too hard to stop now, to not get your max benefit for your efforts. I free myself from fear because fear fears you. You look at it, I guarantee it shall turn around and run away, and you're back on track to your blessings and living life. I trust the universe because they have the best in mind for you, guaranteed. I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light, and I rise above all doubt. And you skyrocket, and you start really living and enjoying life. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.